How to find Chase Bank account number. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how you can easily find your account number on Chase. So let's just jump right in. So the very first thing you want to do is simply open up your Chase Bank account and make sure that you are logged into it. Once you are logged into your account, your home interface should look something like this, where you have your account types. It could be your total checking account or it could be your savings account. So if you just tap on any one of those, let's say it's total checking account, it will take you to another page where you have an option called account details, where you're able to view all of your account details. Now to see more of your account details, you can tap on the drop down where it says show details. And once you tap on this, the pop-up will extend a bit where you are able to see your account number as well as your routing number. So right above the routing number, you'll find your account number, and if you want, you could just write it down or take a screenshot of it and use it for future use. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.